You ever check your bank account and just stare at it like, bro, where did it all go? I'm talking about a good salary, not broke, not struggling, but still somehow you're stuck. You're not missing money, you're leaking it.
And the scary part, you don't even notice it happening.
Today we're exposing exactly why that happens and how to fix it without living like a monk. Intro, real talk about money.
That actually makes sense.
No boring finance lecture today, just real life. Part 1, I make good money but still broke feeling. Let's set the scene. You get paid. Account looks healthy. You feel like, yeah, this is my month.
For like 48 hours max.
Exactly, then life starts hitting you like boom, bills, boom, subscriptions, boom, eating out, boom, random late night orders, because you deserved it.
Don't expose me like that.
And suddenly your money disappears like it had somewhere better to be. And here's the thing. You didn't do anything crazy. You didn't buy a Lamborghini. You didn't gamble your savings. You just live a normal life. And that's exactly why you're stuck. Part 2, the big lie you believe. Most people think if I just earn more, I'll be fine. That's the biggest cap.
Wait, so more money doesn't fix it.
Nope, more money with the same habits equals a bigger mess. Let me explain. You go from making $2K a month to $5K. What changes? Better phone, better food, better lifestyle. But your savings, still trash. You didn't upgrade your system, you upgraded your expenses.
That actually hurts a little.
Yeah, because it's real. Part 3, the 4 money leaks. Let's break down the real reason your money disappears. Not theories, real leaks. Leak 1, lifestyle inflation. You make more, you spend more, simple. That I deserve better now mindset. That's the leak.
So every raise secretly makes you poorer.
If you don't control it, yeah. Leak 2, invisible spending. Subscriptions, small purchases, daily spending. Individually, nothing, combined, everything.
It's like death by 1,000 cuts.
Exactly. Leak 3, emotional spending. You're not always buying because you need something. You're buying because you feel something. Stress, boredom, reward, sadness. And companies know that.
So we're getting played.
Every single day. Leak 4, no system. This is the biggest one. You don't have a plan for your money. So your money makes its own plan. And that plan is chaos. Part 4, the shift. So how do you fix this? Not by cutting everything. Not by becoming boring. But by building a system that actually works. Step 1, pay yourself first. Before rent, before bills, before anything. You take your cut.
That feels selfish.
Good wealth is built by people who prioritize themselves. Step 2, separate your money. Stop keeping everything in one account. Split it. Spending, saving, investing. When it's separated, it's controlled. Step 3, make spending guilt-free but limited. You're allowed to enjoy your money, but inside boundaries. Freedom without structure equals a broke life. Step 4, automate everything. You're not lazy, you're human. So remove decisions. Set it once, let it run. Part 5, real talk moment. Look, nobody's coming to fix your money. No app, no shortcut, no secret haki. It's just you and your habits. But here's the good news. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent.
So small changes actually matter.
They matter more than big ones. Part 6, final wake up. If your lifestyle grows faster than your income, you'll always feel broke. But if your system grows, you'll always feel in control. Ending. You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because your money has no direction.
And once you fix that, everything changes.
If this video hit, you don't just scroll away. Hit that like button. It actually helps more people see this.
And subscribe to Wealthverse.
Because we're breaking money down in a way nobody else does. Simple, real, and actually useful.